today we're going to make a guacamole. So you're going to have 2 avocados without the pit. We're just going to slide this into our bowl. Simple. Make sure they are ripe. If they're not ripe enough, they're going to be a little hard to get out and harder to mush. Okay, so then we're just going to, I like to take just a large fork and start mashing it. Some people like to use a potato mash. Nice little mash there. Okay, so then we're gonna use our guacamole seasoning. I have one open right here, so we're gonna sprinkle that in. Give that a nice little mix as well. This is gonna have all the spices that you want, so you don't have to get all 50 spices out of your cabinet. Okay, now the fun part. Add some onions to that. If you like onions, keep adding them. I love cilantro, so let's put a bunch of cilantro in there. Usually add more at the end for myself. I like to use some hot peppers as well to give a little kick to it. And also you can even add some tomatoes in there. Okay, then you're gonna take the lime. Squeeze a fresh lime in there. Usually it's probably about a full lime, but you could always add more if you like it. I'm just gonna mix this up. And that is it.